everybody, and welcome to my channel. You guys will hear a siren going off possibly in the background. They're just doing their first month noon check, so if you guys hear it, just don't worry about it. But here I'm going to share with you guys the Walgreens ad preview from May 5th to May 11th. I think it's going to be a great week. The new point system starts on Sunday, this coming Sunday, so it is going to be an awesome week to go couponing. I definitely recommend getting coupons if you guys are thinking of getting it. So here on the first page you guys see deals of the week. Now they have Arm & Hammer for $1.99. We will be having a digital coupon for $1 off, making them 99 cents. The Hershey's candy, so Reese's and Kit Kat bars are 2 for $1. I love that. I like having little candy bars in my purse, so I will be definitely doing that deal. And then here is a deal for Pantene. They're going to be $3.99. We do have coupons in the May P&G for $5 off of 3. So what you guys want to do is buy 3 of them for $11.97. Use that 5 off of 3 coupon. You guys would end up paying $6.97 for 3 of them, but then you guys will get 5,000 points. Comes out to be $1.97 or just 66 cents a piece, which is a pretty good deal. That is a deal where you guys can pay with points and get points. But then right here, if you guys see on the bottom print, there's going to be a 10 times everyday points. So you guys can do this deal and do this deal if you want, but just do not pay with points on that deal. So from May 5th to May 11th, you guys will have that. It'll be something that you can clip to your card. There is something that you can scan on the ad. It shows it right here, but their ads are a little bit different online than the actual ad. So just giving you guys a heads up. It's a great week to get points. Now we're going to go, this is usually the last page that they have. They've been doing their ads a little bit differently. I'm trying to show you guys the second page. But they got General Mills cereal for $1.99 if you guys are interested in that. Revlon and Almay are buy one get one 50% off. Now we also have the coupons, but they expire that Sunday. So if you guys have any coupons that you want to get rid of, they have those coupons that expire that Sunday. Plus there is a 4 off of 2 of the face or eye stuff in the Walgreens booklet. So there might be some deals if you guys need that's last minute. Here they got Nutella, $2.99. In Checkout 51, there is a $1.50 rebate. Now, I'm not sure if that rebate will still be available when it comes on sale on Sunday because the app resets on Thursdays. So, just giving you a heads up that there might be some deals, but if that deal is still true in Checkout 51, you guys could get Nutella for $1.49 a piece. Now more food deals, gum 99 cents, Dove 2 for $5, Spam, yeah. Now here we got cleaning products. They got Downy or Bounce for $4.99 with a $2 off coupon, making them $2.99. It's an okay deal for that. Reese's Newsits, it's 89 cents. We are supposed to be getting a buy 3 get 1 free coupon. You guys would get all 4 of them for $2.67 or just 66 cents a piece if you guys need Renewsits. I like it. I haven't gotten those coupons in a while, but I do like those deals. Here we got some clothing and some Toy Story 4 toys on sale, batteries, prints, 15 cents if you guys are interested in that. Not much going on. I don't know when the next 8x10 photo is, but I will let you guys know when I do find out. Here we got some makeup. They do have a free powder brush when you guys buy any of these that are shown for Wet n Wild. Olay is buy one get one 50% off. L'Oreal is buy one get one 50% off. Then it says coupon savings, so there's that. Now we got L'Oreal Leave. Those are going to be 2 for $8. There is a $2 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet, and then there is a 3. I don't know, I can't read it. But anyways, you guys will get it for $1.50 a piece if you guys like L'Oreal. Those coupons will probably be even cheaper later on. Garnier Fructis is 2 for $7. We are getting a 3 off of 2 coupon, so you guys will get those for $4. But in the Walgreens booklet, there's $1 off each coupon. So you guys will get those for $1 a piece. So those are a limit of 1 per transaction for that coupon. So if you guys are interested in that, that's a pretty good deal. Olia hair dye is $6.99. We are getting $2 off coupons, making them $4.99. Plus there is a $2 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. You guys will get those for $2.99. Now a lot of you guys saying your store doesn't let you use coupons and the Walgreens booklet. It shows it right here. You guys can combine it. That's the regular manufacturer coupon, and that is the Walgreens booklet coupon. It shows it right there that you guys can combine these. So if your guys' store ever has a fit, I hear this from a lot of you guys, prove it to them and show them that right there it shows it, that you guys can combine them. Here we got Crest Toothpaste for $2.99. We do have $1 off coupons in the May P&G. Each coupon you can use 2, so it looks like just toothbrushes and toothpaste. So you guys want to use 3 different coupons. You guys would end up paying, I lost my spot, or did I not write this down? Yeah. You guys would end up paying $5.97, but then you get a $5 register reward, making them 97 cents or just 33 cents a piece. It's an okay deal. There might be even a digital coupon that pops up that might surprise us, so I'm excited to see what happens with that. Here we got Colgate, $3.99. Now we are getting $1 off coupons, but if you guys followed my coupons to print, we did have some coupons a while back ago for 4 off of 2. Definitely use that coupon if you guys have that. So you guys would use the 4 off of 2 coupon from coupons.com if you still have it. You would pay $3.98 for 2 of them. But then you guys will get 4,000 points, making them free, and that's a deal where you guys can pay with points and get points. So I'm going to definitely be doing that deal. Irish Spring and Softsoap is going on sale, so they're going to be $3.99. We usually get $1 off coupons with the Irish Spring and 75-cent off coupons for the Softsoap. So with the Irish Springs, you guys want to use 2 $1 off coupons. You guys would pay $5.98. But then you guys will get 5,000 points, making it 98 cents or 49 cents a piece. Again, that's a deal where you guys can pay with points and get points. Softsoap, $3.99. Use 2 75-cent off coupons. You guys would pay $6.48. Get 5,000 points. Comes out to be $1.48 or 74 cents a piece if you guys want that deal. Here we got Barbasol and Pure Silk. Now we do have coupons for it, but they expire this Saturday. So you guys will not be able to use the coupons for it, but 99 cents is still a pretty good deal if you guys want. I mean, I usually say 99 cents is the best deal for shaving cream anyways. And then they got some other deals. Vitamins, buy one, get one free. More buy one, get one free. Lots of vitamins. Lots of things, buy one, get one free. So usually that's the best deal to get when you guys see medicine, more pills and all that stuff. Nothing else that is popping out. Aleve Bear, I know we have some Aleve coupons for that. Tylenol, we're getting coupons for that. And now this is the last page for the Walgreens ad. Yeah, nothing. Excedrin is 2 for $22. I know we get like $1.50 off coupons, but then it says you get 7,000 points when you buy 2. I never do that deal. I always buy my Excedrin at Walmart. This genetics thing is $29.99, and then there's a $10 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet, which is still a good deal, but you also have to pay, if you guys read the box, you guys also have to pay like $7 to get the actual result, or $70 to get the results or something like that. So I say don't do it if you don't need it, but hey, Thermacare, I think we got some coupons for that, and Arnicare, I think we got coupons, so those are buy one, get one 50% off. But that is what is in the Walgreens ad this Sunday. I am hoping I do not go into labor because I am super excited to do these deals to share with you guys. It's going to be a great week to coupon. It's a great week to use your points if you guys have a lot built up, and it's a great week to earn points. So wanted to share with you guys on that. If you see anything that I'm missing, please let me know. Other than that, it's going to be an awesome week for couponing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up so I know you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.